want to get your cold emails landing in inboxes instead of spam folders. Let me show you how to set up and warm up your mailboxes inside Instantly AI for maximum deliverability success. Instantly AI is a powerful cold email software to automate and streamline your lead generation and sales outreach efforts. Check out links in the description if you would like to try the tool yourself. You need to create an account before you can use Instantly AI. Let us first go to their website. You can see here I am on the Instantly AI website. You can get started for free. Instantly offers a 14-day free trial where you can try out Instantly's features. But you will need to purchase subscription plan to use it once the free trial period is over. Let us assume that you have a subscription plan and you want to get started with setting up your cold email campaign. Once you have the mailboxes, you need to warm up your email accounts before you can use them in an email campaign. You may ask what exactly is warming up. The warm up functionality mimics human conversations between email accounts. These email exchanges are between Instantly AI users just like you. You may also want to know why we need to warm up email accounts. Instantly AI's algorithm writes emails that signal to ESPs like Google and Outlook that your account and domain are legitimate. This boosts the chances of your cold outreach emails landing in inboxes, being opened and receiving replies. The warm-up process enhances deliverability by mimicking human conversations within the Instantly AI's user pool. I made a separate video that shows you how to buy and set up your domains as a good foundation for setting up your cold email machine. I provided the link in the description. You can refer to that for purchasing mailboxes. I will show you how to start warming up your email accounts and the important settings you need to understand to keep your email warm-up score close to 100%, which helps your email deliverability. You need to log in to your Instantly AI account. You can see here I am logged in to my Instantly AI account. Here are my email accounts. First, we need to add the new mailbox that we bought outside Instantly AI. Click on this add new button on top right hand side. Then you will see this next screen. Here Instantly offers you 3 options for getting ready with the mailboxes. Here is the first option. With this you get pre-made accounts and domains, allowing you to start sending right away. No setup required at all. You can scale your campaigns instantly with high quality US IP accounts, all optimized for maximum deliverability. Only a limited number of mailboxes are available. Here you can see now 312 domains remaining. Once they are used up, it may take a while for Instantly AI to open up new mailboxes here. The second option is done for you email setup. They will set up your accounts, allowing you to simply choose the domain and account names. With automatic reconnects, you save both time and money while benefiting from high quality US IP accounts that are deliverability optimized for maximum success. Here we are going to use the third option, as we have an existing Microsoft email account purchased along with a GoDaddy domain account that we want to connect to Instantly AI. Here we have 3 options. You can connect to a Gmail mailbox or Microsoft Outlook mailbox or any other provider. Click on this Microsoft Outlook option to get started. It shows you here the account should be SMTP enabled. We know our account is already SMTP enabled. Let me show you where we can check about this option. We may have 2 types of Microsoft accounts. One Microsoft account purchased directly from Microsoft itself, and other option is Microsoft accounts purchased from GoDaddy. And here it is showing detailed instructions on how to proceed in either case. Here it is showing you the instructions how to enable SMTP if you purchased the Microsoft accounts from GoDaddy. We will follow these same steps and verify that our account is already SMTP enabled. First, you need to log into your GoDaddy account. Here you can see I am logged in to my GoDaddy account. You can click on your name here and then select My Products option. Then scroll down, find the email and office section and then click on this Manage All button. Then scroll down on this page until you see this users section. Then select your email account and click on the manage option that is against the email account that you want to configure. Let me click on this manage button here. Then on the next page, scroll all the way down to the account information section. Then click on this advanced settings option. And here you can see the SMTP authentication is already turned on. If it is not turned on, you need to turn this on by toggling this button to on position. Since we already verified that the SMTP has been enabled, click on this SMTP has been enabled button to continue. Here you will need to select your Microsoft email account that you purchased. Click on that email account. Then click on this consent on behalf of your organization box. Then click on this accept button. Here we can see the email account is connected now. We can see it has warm up emails 0, health score as a 0%. If the flame icon is gray color here, it means the warm up is not running. You can click on this flame icon to either enable or pause the warm up action. If you hover over here, it will show you enable warm up text there. Click on this one. Now you see it has turned green. You can click on this again to pause the warm up. You can also click on this email account to go into the further settings. Let me click on this email account here. Here we can access all the warm up settings. Since this is a brand new account that we just added, you can click on this enable button to enable the warm up. Now you can see it is enabled. Then click on this settings option. Here you can see few campaign settings. You can provide your first name, last name. Then you can also provide your account signature here. You can also provide tags here. You can click on this I button to get more information about that setting. The tags are used to group your accounts. You can also use tags to filter out accounts in the account list. Or you can assign an entire tag to a campaign. Here are the campaign settings. The default values are appropriate. There is no need to change. Whenever you are getting started with the new account, keep the default values. You can change these values as desired once you get more familiar with that. But for new accounts, when you are getting started, just leave the default values as they are. Instantly AI sets those values correctly. Here is the daily campaign limit, that is 30 emails. And here is the minimum wait time between emails, that is 1 minute. And here there is a campaign slow ramp setting. You can click on this I button to get more information. Enabling slow ramp will gradually increase the number of campaign emails sent per day, helping to improve deliverability for new or warming up accounts. Click on this enable button. This reply to address is optional. Then we have daily inbox placement test limit. We have 10 test emails. Then there is a custom tracking domain. It is recommended you use this custom tracking domain. Check this box to use custom tracking domain. Here it is showing you how to add the CNAME record in the DNS records of our domain. I will show you how to add this custom tracking domain. We need to add a record, that is record type CNAME, host is INST, and the value is proxitrackly.com. Let us copy this value first. That value is copied. Now we need to go to our GoDaddy account. Click on My Products here. Go to the specific domain that you want to manage and click on this DNS option. Here we need to add a DNS record. Click on this add new record. We know that we want to add a record of type CNAME. Let us select CNAME here, and we already copied the value. Let us paste it here. And for the name, we have INST. Let me type in INST, and TTL you can leave it at half an hour, and then click on this save button. It shows a success message. DNS record has been updated successfully. Now come back to Instantly AI. Here we can type in the domain name prefixed by the INST word. I typed in the INST word followed by the domain name. we can click on this check status button to know whether it has been configured properly. After typing your tracking domain here, click on this check status button to make sure everything is working properly. You can see here that the CNAME is verified. There is a green tick mark, and it is SSL verified. There is a green tick mark against that. This confirms that your custom tracking domain is working properly. We are good here. In Instantly, there are two types of warm-up settings, and these warm-up settings are already pre-filled with recommended values. The first one is warm-up settings basics. Here you have this warm-up filter tag. You can set a custom warm-up filter tag on per account basis here. There is also an inbuilt obscenity filter, so the tag can't be set to anything offending. The generate random tag button can also be used to create a random tag, or you can type a tag for yourself. Here there is increase per day setting. If you set it to one email, it means that each day you will send one more warm-up email until you reach the daily warm-up limit. Here is the daily warm-up limit. Suggested is 10 for newly created accounts. And here is the disable slow warm-up option. This option is recommended only for older email accounts that are already warmed up. Don't use this for new accounts. Newer accounts should be warmed up slowly and gradually. Something Instantly automatically takes care for you when you enable the warm-up function. And here is the advanced warm-up settings. Advanced warm-up settings are available for the hyper growth plan or above. It is recommended you warm up for 4 weeks before you start sending out emails to your leads. Once you finish the configuration of all the warm-up settings, click on this save button to save your changes. Congratulations! Now you know how to warm up your email accounts before launching a new email campaign inside Instantly AI. If you need help setting up cold email machines for your marketing campaigns, please reach out to me. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section if there is any specific topic you want to be covered. Bye. Until next video.